Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the brightness of the map on the ShipXplorer application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three dot at the lower right corner of the screen and go to the third option, the map options button. At the left side on the screen you can find the map options settings, and in the brightness section just drag it the circle and you can edit the brightness. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.